We've made our business successful by focusing on one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and everyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. And we're confident that you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.